The Maker Hub is Georgetown's one makerspace on campus that serves all students, staff, and faculty. So we're here to help the Georgetown community turn ideas into reality. And those ideas can range from art projects to coursework to prototypes for commercial products. We've got high-tech tools like laser cutters and 3D printers, and traditional crafting tools like sewing machines and a print shop and a wood shop.
It's an abstract thing people talk about, like learning by doing, but I think especially in the academic context that can be challenging to implement. Going in, usually they're all kind of nervous and skeptical, but then coming out they're like, oh yeah, I really was able to see things from a different perspective and understand things differently.
We find that the open environment of the Maker Hub creates a kind of virtuous circle, where the more you learn, the more you can do, and the more you can do, the more you want to learn, creating ever more sophisticated, interesting, and successful projects. For example, OxyWear by Maker Hub staffer Shavini Fernando is a blood oxygen monitor that you can wear on your ear like a piece of jewelry. Maker Hub staffer Sarah Harper uses the laser cutter to create sophisticated artworks based on photographs and also maps of Georgetown.
And learning about entrepreneurship is something that really is a hands-on exercise when it's done in its best way. So students can talk about ideas in the classroom, but going to the Maker Hub lets them actually build something.
One of the advantages of being here in the library is that we serve the entire Georgetown community. You might have one person in the electronics station working on an Arduino project, and then another person in the sewing area working on a textiles project. And then they come together in the middle to work on a wearable electronics project together.
So having a community around building things, having a community that can help them take their projects into different domains, extend them in ways that they might not have thought about before, that's really where the value of having a Maker Hub community comes in.
And our community continues to stay together through our online open hours and our Slack channel. We're still able to offer fabrication as a service, so our community can send in 3D and laser cutter designs for us to produce for them. We run online workshops on topics ranging from woodworking to design for fabrication and even cooking. During the summer, as our healthcare workers faced a critical shortage of personal protective equipment, we distributed 3D printers to our community so that they could spend day and night 3D printing face shields for healthcare workers. And recently, the Maker Hub participated in a panel with Margaret Talbot from The New Yorker to discuss the contributions of the maker community to the medical field.
They're connecting with each other. People are networking. They're aligning themselves with goals and projects and ideas. But it's like seeing the proximity of all the big ideas that excite people.